were doing this polynomials, right? And today we will speed up and quickly finish up this question, seventh one we did, right? And who is not here? Oh, yes. Hello, Aisha. Assalamu alaikum. Tala is also not here.
Walaikum salam, sir.
Yeah, you were not present in the previous class. So, all good?
Yes, sir. I just went outside.
Oh, good, good. Yeah, you deserve that. So, after a prolonged examination, now you guys can chill, right? For a moment. So, this October month is for chill, right? And from November onwards, just prepare for the last battle, right? Okay, good, good. Yes. Yeah, so we were just discussing this polynomial chapters and we completed up to this seventh question. So now let us move on to the next one, right, guys? So I'm getting good news from everywhere. So previous time, Aisha told me the good news. Now, Shaima. So, good, many, many congratulations to you guys. You guys deserve all the praises that are coming to you. What was it me? And from November onwards, I will do the rest of the chapters, right? Only two chapters are remaining. So after November onwards, in November, I will complete that whatever area related to circle and surface area and volumes. And then again, we'll do, so again, we'll go into the repetition, right? And you guys start practicing all those questions that are confusing you and yeah. So how many questions does this? Oh, only 13 question. What is the next topic? Do we have another topic? I guess this is the last, right? Division algorithm, relationship between division algorithm. Yeah, so we only have this. So now we can complete this one and then go to the linear equation. Okay, yes, guys, everyone. So eighth question coming at you in 3, 2, 1. Go, guys. So eighth question for all of you guys. Please try this question. We have this quadratic polynomial and Amaro, how is the preparation going on? Any confusion, any doubts that you have? Please ask me, right? If you have any confusion, any doubts, so please ask me, Amar, right? And if you need some extra classes also, so we can arrange on Sunday, maybe on Saturday or Sunday. So if you need some practice, yeah. Okay, so this is the polynomial and the roots are alpha and beta. And we have to find this value. So we have to find out what is alpha. And sorry guys that I'm repeating some questions, but we are doing the revision and we are just polishing our work, right? Okay, please try this question. Where is that? So yesterday Tala was somewhere else, right? Going to some place and so Tala is right. Okay. Yes, please solve this question and it will be the answer.
Sir, I'm getting -3/7.
Minus 3 by 7. Aisha is getting minus 3 by 7. Okay, this question is very interesting. Find the quadratic polynomial zeros are this one. This one is not that important. It's very good. Half the yeah. These three questions are. And we have one question from the sample paper also. One that the one question that Aisha got in her exams. We also practice that question. Yes, guys, what is happening?
Good answer.
Yes,
-3/7.
you were about to say.
Huh?
You were about to say same, but you stopped at say, right?
Sir. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, Shaima, Hashid, Aman, and Shay. What about you guys?
Sir, can you show how to do it?
So -3/7.
So, and good, Shama. So that is a very good thing, right? Whenever you have confusion, without any hesitation, you ask. So this is the root. So what do we know? Whenever we have this polynomial, we know that sum of the zero is so sure also. So sum of the zero is -3/4, right? And product of the zero is 7/4. This we know, right, Shaima? Now we have to find out this value. So always remember simplification, right? This thing we should always keep in our mind. So whenever we are stuck at some point, we just simplify. So let us simplify this thing. What is that? So if we take the LCM, this is alpha into beta. So if we divide this, so this is beta and this is alpha. So this is nothing but alpha plus beta divided by alpha into beta. So alpha plus beta is -3/4. And then you have this alpha into beta, which is 7/4. So 4 cancel and you have -3/4. Is that clear, Shaima?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Amar, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Good. So if this is clear, then this 11th question is very interesting one. So please try this 11th question, guys. Should I zoom this one? Is this visible clearly, guys? Oh, who is? Oh, boss. Hello, Talha. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Yeah, so where were you, Talha? Everything all right? You're still at your, so
No,
at
no,
guess,
sir.
so you are at home, at your home right now, right?
Yes. Just
Good.
came back.
Yeah, so Talha has returned, right? Good, good. Yeah, so we are just doing those polynomial questions that we were doing yesterday. So now this time you have to solve these questions, right? So yesterday you didn't have your notes and pen with you, but right now you have, right? So yeah. Please everyone try this 11th question. Right? Should I zoom this one? Is this visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Visible.
So yeah, so this is the question that we have again a polynomial which is this, right? So this is the polynomial and we have to write a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are this one. So this is the zero. So its zeros are alpha and beta. And we have another polynomial, let's say gx, whose roots are 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta, right? So the answer that we know is that how do we write the polynomial? This is x square minus, let's say, whatever the roots are, a plus b x and plus a into b, where a and b are the roots. So this is the hint, guys, right? Just apply this one. What is A? A, you know, that is 1 by 2 alpha. B, you know, that is 1 by 2 beta. Right? This is the idea of this question. Am I right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So please solve this one. Yeah, and this one is the same one, right? So we will skip this part. And oh, we can also, oh, why did we skip this 10th one? So we should skip this one we should do. So we'll come back to this question. Then this chapter will be right, and we'll also do a question that Aisha at some point asked. So that question. Okay, so yeah, so you guys saw that when Shaima has any doubt in that in the previous problem, so without any hesitation, she asked, right? So this, you guys, please, whenever you have any doubt, right? We are all friends and yeah, so don't hesitate, right? Nobody is going to judge you, right? Okay. Yeah. So if I will have some doubt, I will ask you guys, and if you guys have some doubt, you guys please ask. Or maybe Shama, Aisha, and other people can get you the answers, right? Okay. Because yesterday you guys saw that I was doing with some other method and Shaima told us to do this way, and that was an easy one, right? I also remember there was this question of linear equation, right? So in linear equation, there was this idea that Shaima again told us about that idea. So some of the methods I may not be knowing, and you guys can tell me that. And that could be the easier method, right? Okay. Because I have got an old I cannot think new ways. You guys are younger generation. You guys can think newer ways. Yeah.
Sir, the polynomial is x squared minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4.
Minus 1 by 8x minus 1 by.
It's the x squared plus 1 by 8.
Okay, yes, of course. So now, if you guys have different answer, then you guys can say that answer, or if you guys have same answer, then this one, you can use the word same. Okay.
Okay.
And again, any if you guys have any doubts, so please continue.
Sir, you don't mind doing this question?
Yes.
Can you do this question?
Yeah. Good, Rizwan. Yes. Good.
Mhm.
So okay. So we have to calculate this quantity and this quantity, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to calculate this one and this one. This is the first thing that we have to calculate. Sum of the zeros, right? So how do we write the polynomial? X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros, right? This is how we write any polynomial or quadratic equation, right? So this would be how much? Again, 1 by 2 is common, and this is the same thing that we got, right, boss? So alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta, correct? This is how
Yes.
much? Alpha plus beta, I should write it. Let us write. Alpha plus beta is 1 by 4, right? Alpha into beta is minus 4 by 4, which is minus 1, correct? This would be how much? 1 by 4 and divided by minus 1. So this would be minus 1 by 8. Yeah. So this is minus 1 by 8. And what would be roots? Yes, at some point I have done this question. Okay, and what is alpha into beta? That is what is 1 by 2 alpha into 1 by 2 beta. That is the product of the roots. right? Remember, these are the roots of the new polynomial. So we have to find out sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, like this. So this is how much? 1 by 4 and 1 by alpha into beta. This is how much? Alpha into beta is minus 1. So minus 1 by, right? So now we have sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. So we can write the polynomial as x square minus of minus 1 by 8x and plus of minus 1 by. So this is x square plus 1 by 8x minus 1 by. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Good. So please everybody write this problem, right? And yes, good response. So whenever we have any doubt, right, we just ask that question. Yes, everyone, any question from, any doubt from this question? Please no doubt, and then you guys please note down this problem. And then we do the 12th one is the same problem. Now in the 12th one we have zeros which are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. So that is exactly the same as the 11th one, right? So you guys try this problem at your 13th one is the general NCRT problem that we will do. So this is the quadratic polynomial and we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. So that yeah, everyone noted. This is sum of the zeros, right? And this is product of the zeros. Yes, guys, noted everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, then let us get back to this 10th question. And after that, we will start a linear equation. Okay, so the 10th question, everyone. Please try this question. You have to find, this is the polynomial that you have, x plus 2k minus 1. This is the polynomial and specifically quadratic polynomial and has sum of its zeros equal to half of their product. Okay, then you have to find out what is the value of k. So use this information, sum of its zeros equal to half of their product. And then find out the value of p.
There, do we have to first simplify the polynomial?
You see that this is already in the general form, right, Shyam? So this is already in AXO. And what else? This is already in this form, right? So yeah, we don't need to simplify because X part is in here, right? This is already in the other term. And this constant part is already separated. So all these are already simplified, right? So we can, yeah, we can do this with this problem. So no need to simplify. If it would have been something like, let's say, okay, and so maybe there was some other constant in here, then we could have, yeah. So let's say this is k is oh, let's say something like x plus 3k, right, plus 2x plus something like this. So then we need to simplify because this x is in here, this x is in here, and we don't have an x term separately. Then we need to simplify.
So K is 7.
Is
Yes, sir. I also got KS7.
got disconnected.
Talha.
Yes. Oh, Tala has come back, right? Yes, guys. Yes, Tala, you all got 7. Yes.
Yes.
So me also get 7.
Okay. Ashi, Dama, and Ashwin. Wave
7.
also got Harshid, what do you
Sir, I
got?
can't hear your voice properly.
7.
7. Oh. Yeah, you cannot hear me properly, Amar. Now is this okay? Yes. Is this okay now, Amar?
No, sir. Like, the volume is extremely low. In my laptop, the volume is very high. So,
Oh, maybe, yeah. So then, what can I do? So I have increased my voice to the maximum, right? Please, you have to increase your volume from there. Or- Okay, yeah. So in this question, this was given. Sum of the zero, what was that? Sum of the zero equal to half of the product. So this relation we had, like sum of the zeros is minus, minus is already is there, so plus by 1 and divided by c by. So 2k minus 1 and there is also this 2. So then you solve this and then all of you are getting 7. So the answer is 7, right, everyone? Good. Now let us do the last question, right? Which uses one identity. So that was a very good question, right? Aisha at one point asked this question. So here we have that question. Oh, already we have. So the first part of this 27th question. Second part you guys have done, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This you guys have done. So then you have to do this first part of this 27th question. So please do this question and then we will move on to linear equation. Yes, the polynomial is this one. And you have to find out this thing. And you only know this much, or we only know this thing. So how can we relate these two with this? That is the idea. In the meantime, let me have okay, guys, I'm back. So, guys, please try this question, right? And
Here is the answer negative 2 by 5.
negative 2 by 5. So, Shaima is getting, Shaima has got, what is that? Negative 2 by 5. Right? Then you guys also calculate and confirm if Shaima's answer is correct. And Harshid has solved all those assignment questions, right?
Sir, I'm
What?
getting 3 by 5.
Right. Boom. We have a disagreement, right? Aisha is 15. So you both of you guys check your answer. One of you, one of
Then
you,
now I can't say same anymore.
yeah. So yeah, so this one now you cannot say
I'm trapped.
yes. Okay, yes. So this one, what are you getting?
Nah, me doing, sir.
Yes, everyone please calculate, and if there is any confusion, then we can.
Sir, can you show the question again?
Oh, question is this one. So this is the polynomial, Shama, and you have to find out this. This is the question. Or do you want the paper question?
No. Okay.
Yes, this is the question. So up to quadratic equation, Harshit, I saw that you have solved all those assignments questions. So did you also
Yes,
solve
sir.
all those rest of the questions from AP and all?
So AP did not complete, sir.
Oh, AP, yeah. So AP, yeah, AP was not in the exam, right? But circles, statistics, all those assignment questions you completed.
No, sir, not for circles, only till triangles.
Only till triangles. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This might be boring for you, but this is the revision, right, Bhash? So again, we practice so many times, right? Okay, yes, guys, Rizwan, Talha, Hashim, Amar, Shoaib. So confirm one answer. And
No,
Shaima
MCQs.
and so you have multiple choice. What are your answers then?
I choose option B,
Eh?
3 by 5.
So, Shaima, you see, we have an agreement with this Aisha now. So,
Sir, can you do it?
yeah, yes,
Can you do it?
yes, yes, of course, of course. So, yeah, Tala, Hashid, Amar, Shoaib, what are you guys? So let me do this problem, and then you guys also check whether I am right. So the idea, the key idea of this problem is that we don't know what is this thing, right? We only know that what is alpha plus beta, what is alpha into alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 5, which is minus 1. Alpha into beta is 1 by 5. This way, right? But we can relate this alpha plus beta, alpha into beta and this one. And how can we do that? We know the relation that a plus b square, right? This is alpha plus beta square. This can be written as a square plus b square plus 2a. Right, so we have alpha into beta, we have alpha plus beta. Oh, who got disconnected? This time, Hashit. Okay, so then we can write alpha plus beta, or let me write so alpha square plus beta square as this, and this goes in the left hand side, so minus 2 alpha beta. Right. Now I have changed this thing to the known values that I know. Right. Okay, so then I have to calculate this square, so minus 1 square and minus of 2, and then I have this 1 by 5. So I have 1 minus 2 by 5. So this is 3 by 5. So there was a mistake, Shan. Where was the mistake?
So when I was changing the side of 2 alpha beta, I did
Yeah.
not take alpha plus beta square to the other side
Oh,
as well.
yeah, yeah. So that we have. Yeah. So this side goes in the left-hand side, right? And this is what we have to calculate. Okay, everyone, is this clear? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now this polynomial, yeah, this polynomial part is complete. So now let us move on to the linear equation, right? And yeah, so you guys want to note down this thing? If you are noting it down, tell me. Otherwise, we'll move on to the linear equation. Okay, so let us move on to the linear. This is Amar. Oh, Amar backup. Okay, and this is again give a quick recap of what we did in the linear equation in two variables. So we already know that what is the linear equation. If the degree is 1, so that is the linear equation. But we have two variables, right? So then we require pair of linear equation because we have two unknowns and we want to solve x and y. So then we require pair of linear equation in two variables, right? So that we represented as a1x plus b1y plus b1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 that is equal. So this was the pair of linear equation. Linear because the degree is 1, highest power on the variable is 1. And we have two unknowns, x and y. Right. So there was this was this algebraic representation. This is the algebraic representation, and the graphical representation. So graphical representation would be a straight line, right? So a straight line for each pair, right? So we have two linear equations, which means that there will be two straight lines, right? So if there are two straight lines, then there would be three conditions, right? So what are the three possibilities? Graphical in a graphical way, three possibilities. One would be that those two straight lines are parallel, right? And the other would be that those two straight lines are intersecting. Or the third possibility is that those two straight lines are coincident, right? So these are the three possibilities, graphical possibilities. And if we want to know that, so let's say if we are given two pair of linear equation, and if we want to check whether they are parallel, intersecting, or coincidental, then we have to draw these graphs, right? So we have to find 2 or 3 points and then draw the straight lines and then see whether these are parallel, intersecting, or coincidental, right? But we have this algebraic way also, right? So then this is right. So we can have, yeah, without making the graph, right? Without making the graph, we can also show that whether those lines are intersecting, parallel, or coincidental, right? So in algebraic method, we can show that if, yeah, so by comparing the coefficients, right? So if a1 by a2, this is not equal to b1 by b2, then this is intersecting line, right? If we have intersecting lines, then this is called a unique solution, right? And if we have a solution, so that is called right. So that is called what? Uh, yeah. So if we have a solution that we call, yeah, it's what? Consistent, right? So that is called consistent pair of equation, right? And if we have a1 by a2, and this is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So these are parallel lines, and we have no solution. And whenever we don't have any solution, so that is called inconsistent, right? And the third one is a1 by a2. This is equal to b1 by b2. This is equal to c1 by c2. And these are coincident lines, right? And they have many solutions. And this also has solutions. This is again called consistent, right? So these are the scenario for the case of the uh, algebraic way of showing that whether we have a consistent or a non-consistent or inconsistent solution, right? Without making the actual graph. So that is less troublesome as compared to making those. Okay. And also there was this, yeah, so when we solve these linear equation, so solving these linear equation, we will encounter this one. So whenever we are solving a pair of linear equation, we check this, right? For the unique solution, we have the method of solving the linear equation. So there are mainly two methods that we have learned, right? So method of solving the linear equation. And those are algebraic methods, right? Graphical method where we plot the graph and whatever point they are intersecting. So that part is called that point, that coordinates of that point will give you the solution. But in the algebraic way, we have two methods. The first method is this substitution method, which is not preferred by all of you guys, right? Substitution method. And this one is your favorite elevation. These are the things that we have learned in the, yeah. So that these are the things that we have learned in the linear equation, right? Is there anything else that we have that I have missed, guys? Yeah, do we have anything else in the linear equation?
Hmm.
Yes, so these are the odds.
Uh,
Yes, so you are, yes, you are remembering this one. What is the other thing that we have?
I thought another method was there. I
Yeah,
think I.
so yeah, so the another method was this cross multiplication,
Oh yeah, this is
but yeah, but this
not
is not,
there, right?
yeah, so this is not.
Okay. Yeah, so I thought not.
Yeah, I didn't know the syllabus at that time, so I did this method, right?
Mm-hmm.
So with you and Tala, I did this method, but that was for the 22 and 23 syllabus. The 23, 24, this is only. So yeah, that is why I did mention. Okay, yes. So I guess this is all the concept that we will need, right? And yeah, so next class we will solve this assignment of linear equation, right? First one would be this graphical method that I equation reducible. Yeah, this one is not also clear. So equations reducible to pair of linear equation in two variables. This is not in the syllabus again. So yeah, graphical this one. This graphical one we will do in the next class. We'll only do some two or three or five problems from the graph, and then we will move on to the algebraic solution. Then we will move on. Okay, so we'll stop at here, right? And yes, you guys on Wednesday. And if you guys have any questions, anything that you want to add on, anything that we have missed, so please tell. Yeah, you guys have this class assessment. Oh, I forgot. So whenever you guys leave, please take that class assessment. So that would be on Polynomials. So please take that. Okay. Yeah, whenever you guys leave this class, so please go to the Learnivio account, and there would be some active tests. So please take that. Right. Okay, guys. See you
It's
in the next class. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
so which subject assessment will be there?
Polynomials, second topic. Polynomials. Right?
The
That we
last
did.
time I wasn't able to do the assessment.
Oh, you were not able to do that. Yeah. So can you check now and tell me whether you are getting the active test or not?
Yes,
Oh,
sir,
yes.
it's there.
Where is
There.
it?
Good.
Which part?
Good. In the class assessment section. So go to
Okay.
the
classes.
learning view. So you are the old member. This one.
Yeah, I'm too old now.
You are too old and you have forgotten. Good. Good sensei. You have forgotten. Okay, yes, Nafisa. Yeah, so hello Nafisa, you are here for which class? Because this is 10th math, right? So you are here for which class? Maybe you have got the wrong thing. Yes, bye everyone. Bye, bye. Bye Aisha, bye Nisman, bye Shah.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, bye,
Okay,
guys.
thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Yes, hello. Good evening. Oh, so good evening, but Nafisa. Whose account is this? They just
Oh, sorry.
I thought that who is
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, Amira. Yes, how are you guys?
Alhamdulillah, good, sir.
Yeah, so now I know that you are Nafisa Tejasvi, so don't worry about that, right?
Sorry, sir. I will read.
Why? Why? So why again? Yesterday, who said sorry? Yeah, that was the mean. I think. This word is prohibited, right? Forbidden in this class.
Sir, I can't rename my
Yes.
name.
No. So okay, I can change my name to whatever. Gabbar Singh, so don't worry about that. Don't worry about these triggers. Okay, now you are cool.
Yes, sir.
So let us wait for a beat and then start. Wait, where is the beat? Okay, so let me, in the meantime, I'll have some water. Why are these mics? Abhi, what has happened to Abhi's microphone? Yes, now it is working. Hello, Abhi. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, hello, Abhi. Okay, maybe there is some problem with your microphone. Yes, hello, Abhi. Can you hear us? Okay, only I am speaking, so can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, yes, good. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Well, so we can see that how tired Abhi is right now. So any moment she can go to sleep, right, everyone? Yeah, what has happened, Abhi? Yes.
No, sir. I do feel like sleeping, but I have to prepare for tomorrow's test. I have
Oh,
English tomorrow.
oh, you have English. That you can. Yeah, how many poems and how many what stories? What
Sir, we have two big chapters because the other chapters they have already conducted tests before for that.
big chapters and how many poems?
No poems this time, sir.
Big chapters and some grammar portion, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So yeah, you have also this math exam today, right? If I
Yes, sir. It went very, very well.
good. Congratulations, mashallah. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah, and all the best for the next one, English one, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.